Like most of Hyundai's recent designs, the Kona is certainly distinct. In fact, it's downright aggressive by class standards, and I like it. It stands out in a way that reminds of Nissan's almost Martian Juke, a model that's soon to depart our market. The Kona's short overhangs and long wheelbase give the Kona a tight, capable look, and its tapering window line and a two-tone roof, which, in the case of the model seen here, is blacked out, lend it a slicked-back appearance. The Kona's face is defined by its narrow LED head and taillights, which are unusual in both shape and layout. The daytime running lamps and turn signals are housed in a narrow slash just below the hood, while the headlamps are fully separate units bookending Hyundai's new cascading grille design. This car should be easy to spot, day or night. I'm less sure about the Kona's black armor, the plastic cladding that trims its wheel wells. Perhaps this detail gives the design a more rugged look, but to me, it reminds somewhat of Toyota's first-generation RAV4 or something French. That isn't to say the cladding doesn't work, just less so than the rest of the aesthetic to my eye. At 13.7 feet long and 5.9 feet wide, the Kona is similar in size to many direct competitors, though a bit shorter. Its 102.4-inch wheelbase is right in line, as well. Powertrain and suspension. The Kona's base engine is a 147 horsepower, 2.0-liter four-cylinder that runs on the Atkinson cycle to maximize fuel economy. It develops 132 pound-feet of torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute and is mated to a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission. Hyundai claims a decidedly relaxed 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 10 seconds and a top speed of 121 miles per hour. The step-up engine, the one North Americans seem most likely to be offered, is a tuned version of Hyundai's well-known 1.6-liter Gamma 4. The turbocharged engine is rated at 175 horsepower and 196 pound-feet of torque, with peak twist coming on between 1,500 and 4,500 revolutions per minute. The smaller, but more power-dense engine moves the Kona to 62 miles per hour in a claimed 7.7 seconds and on to 131 miles per hour, sending power to the wheels via a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Gadgets. The Kona features a bunch of information and entertainment tech, some you'd expect, some you might not. Infotainment systems include standard Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, and navigation and HD radio are available, as are 4G telematics. Console-based wireless charging is also available, a first for this category. The Kona will be able to tell you when your phone is fully charged, or if you've left it in the car while exiting the vehicle. Another unexpected for the class feature is an available head-up display. It's admittedly the less sophisticated type as seen on some Mini and Mazda models, but it will still display speed, sat-nav directions, audio, info and more. Instead of projecting directly onto the windshield, this type of HUD displays information on a gauge cluster-topping piece of glass that folds out of the way when not in use. Such systems tend to eat up less space inside the dashboard, plus they weigh and cost less, but they don't tend to look as polished. Safety. Advanced driver assist systems are rapidly gaining traction, even at the small, affordable end of the market, and the Kona looks like it'll stack up well in this regard. Available forward collision avoidance assist uses a front-facing camera to detect a potential collision and automatically engage braking, and lane keeping assist and a driver attention warning system also aim to prevent accidents before they happen.